We've stepped onto the fifth floor of Roof Street Flats, and this is actually their Sky Lounge. And so let's check it out. So this is the very, very top floor of Roof Street Flats. There's a table over there to kind of enjoy, and then there's a lot of chairs and tables inside of here. There's a fire pit area, and you can see fantastic views available here. Just perfect areas of Uptown all around, and just fantastic. And even so that's Uptown over there, and you can even see a little bit of downtown, but it's just a fantastic area to view. There's some more chairs over here I want you to see and check out. So you can definitely get a great tan up here, just kind of relaxing. So this would be fun for maybe on a game night, or just to kind of have a private event, because there is a TV over there, so you can kind of enjoy some sports and just have some great views of Uptown. So awesome area, totally love it. Great benefit of Roof Street Flats. Now let's check out one of the it's not a model, but I believe it's a one bedroom, so we're going to see it in just a minute.